Welcome to this course Basic Manufacturing Process Unit 4 and Lecture 70 Manufacturing and Plant Location. In this video, the agenda for today present in this video, the plant location and plant layout, objective of the plant layout, advantage of a good layout for and the important of the consideration, types of plant layout, fixed position plant layout. The plant location, the plant location is the very important factors is the economics development in the economic development of depend on the plant location. The other factor affecting of the location of plant, the and the factor affecting of the location of plant, the climate condition. One is the climate condition. The climate condition is the depend on the the plant location is depend on growth. Plant growth is depend on the climate of the environment of the plant location. The financial on other adds, the plant location is the stable to the nearness of the uh, nearness of the is the financial supported to the and other aids is required for the plant location is very important for the economics and socio development. And the co- community attitudes, the community activities is the main factors, most important factor of the plant layout and the most development of the farm and plant development. Farm and plant is a very important part of the community and attitudes. Land is the very important factor of the stable to the plant and the location. The land is the land is the very important factor. Suppose that I will be plant stable for the in a city. This land is the very cheap, very costly of the land, but you are not achieved for the you are not achieved for the goals and the develop will not achieve for the such that the higher economics rate of the housing facilities. These housing facilities is also available in the nearness of the plants. Okay, security facilities. The security is also most important of the plant. On the plant, the security is the also available in the nearness of the plant. Uh, Facilities for the expansions. These are the other factor is the also available nearness of the plant location, presence of the related to the industry. I stable for the plant for the food processing plant. The plant is also available on the area of the other food processing plants with the help of the my and nearness of the plant of facility. Extents of the hospitals. The plant location is also stable on the space and land for the very important factor of the health and the hospitals. These are the plant in the generated the dangerous in the plant and the easily available for the health of the hospitals is nearness to the plant. The market center, the plant is also stable in the nearness of market. The transportation of the goods and services is the cost is reduced for the schools and banks. The plant location is nearness of the schools and the banks. Banks is the also available for the financial problem of the plant, and school is the very important for the children's of study for the children's and other of the others levers of cost. The plant is the nearness of plants is the nearness of the post office and clubs of etc. The required for the people required for the people of the transportation of the letters and exchange of information. Okay, all the factors is very important to the plant location in available. Plant layout. What is the plant layout? Plant layout is such that the systematic and affecting of functional arrangement of different department machines, equipment, and services of the an organization will be facilities the processing of the sports of the undertaken product in the most of efficient and the economical manner for the the minimum possible time. The, the bill will be required for the minimum time of the objective of plant location. What is the plant objective? The main objective of plant location is given then mean the material has to move for the minimum distance. The material move from minimum distance. The travel for the minimum distance. Then they also required for the minimum cost of the moving of materials. Okay, and second is the smooth flow of the product in the plant. The plant, the goods and the services of the plant and the nearness of market. This the short distance travel to the goods and services the easily available in the market. Then the cost is also reduced of the entire space of the plant is fully utilized. The plant is a is useful in the very utilized in the market and nearness of the easily available for the product and services of the market. Continue objective for the plant location. Entire space of the plant is fully utilized. The layout is provides the safety and safetification of the plant and workers. The plant is the provided to the safety purpose, safety of the laborers and satisfaction of the satisfaction of the customers desired shape and size of the provided the product and provided to the labor of safety. The facilities are effective of supervision the affecting of in the effective of supervision the minimize the material handling and suppose the main objective of the minimize the material handling reduce for the manufacturing cost. The plant is look plant is the layout is the also designed for the engineers in the also thinking for the reduce for the travel of the raw product and the finished wood is the very short distance and the reduce for the cost of the transportation of service and other factor for the economical output with the quantity of quality the maintain the high turn of the work process. Okay, the reduce the investment of equipment the make the effective of the economical and use of the floor area of very specific of the very clean reduce work lately for the stoppage and the weekly or work is stoppage to the Advantage of the good plant layout. The advantage of the good plant layout is the floor area is effectively and economically utilized. The plant location is the very effective and utilized. The rate of production is increased with the less mean and machine hours of the per unit of production. The material handling time is minimized. The material handling time is minimized. The usual production delay and the avoid. Overall the production time is reduced. The fairly or large amount of paper work of eliminated to the the indirect expenses of the considerability of reduced. The better utilization of labor is provided. The better supervision is provided and the fusion of reduce. The promote better planning. The promote better planning and effective of controls on the machine. The provide the better in the ensure the maintenance of the plant and machinery is the cost is reduced. Importance of consideration when the large industry undertaken the planet for number of important the consideration is made by before the taking a, a financial decision. The common factor affecting of the decision of plant location, availability of space and availability of the power, availability of the water, availability of the raw materials, market facilities for the planet of products, and effective of facility of industries, availability of skilled and unskilled labor locally in the locally direction and the nearness of the skilled and non-skilled labor is also available in the plant location. The locate is the taxes and similar other economics of the consideration is very important. Importance of this nearness step for continue for internal layout of the factory is following consideration: the specification of materials and product, specification of materials and products, manufacturing process and types of production, and material handling facilities and service facilities, and lightness of the ventilation. Now for the industrial arrangement of equipment is the difference of the this next of the is called the shop of layout. The size of the types of the requirement of the class. Thank you so much. In this video, I present in the main some of factors importance of the plant location is in of the. Thank you.